Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a Hobart twin ribbon blender with a central screw discharge and blending. Sanitary food grade, of course. Had to fabricate a new guard here for the back. That's the chain drive system. Operates from one drive, both ribbons as well as the screw. Housed in here are the electrical controls, which are two NEMA 3 starters, one for each direction, forward and reverse of the ribbons. It's designed to do that along with the screw or one in reverse. And controls up here, these were the original controls that we just restored. Has a on-off switch here where you can actually shut off the off position and go from forward or reverse. You'll let it fully come to a stop. There's a reverse position, and then there are two e-stops because you have two starters. We'll stop the whole thing, you pop and they will return. Of course, then we have an air-operated discharge here. I'm going to show you that right now. Gasketed cover. See the ribbon operating in there, as well as both the screws, everything smooth, quiet. So in this position with the screw turning in would be the blending position. At discharge, reverse it, and the screw would discharge the material. We have lots of blenders in our stock, as well as everything in process and packaging. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.